Good morning, Miss Mary May.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Mary May Cartagena, 30 years old, single, and I have a live-in partner. We have two kids, 13 years old boy and 1-year-old girl. We live in Barotac Viejo, Iloilo. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters, and I'm the 5th child in the family. I am a Bachelor of Science in Electronics undergraduate. I did not finish my college because of financial problem.
Who will take care of your kids if you work abroad?
My live-in partner will take care of them, ma'am.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Hong Kong for 3 years and 2 months in one family. They are couple with 3 years old child and 2 elderly. My duties are taking care of a child and look after to the elderly. Cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing the clothes, and marketing.
How would you describe your employers?
They are good to me, ma'am.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, can work under pressure, can manage my time, and I am a happy person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
Yes, ma'am. I undergo surgery during I give birth to my second baby, but I guarantee, ma'am, that I can do all the hard works.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad for my children's education and to save money for my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Itsy Wincy Spider, went out the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the Itsy Wincy Spider went out the spout again.
Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or elder or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off, instead employer will pay you?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am. I just will focus to my work.
Would you like to work with the employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you have full consent of your family or husband to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you please say something to your employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract and I will extend if needed. I am a hardworking, trustworthy, honest person, and I can work with less supervision. Thank you and God bless, ma'am.